Why do people form partnerships in the first place? Well, the most common or the main reason why people come together and they form partnerships is to combine the skills and resources of two or more individuals. Okay, so firstly is the skill. So an accountant might be a public accountant, might be an expert in the field of auditing, but he might not be an expert in the field of tax. But when he combines with another accountant which has the tax expertise, and they together they can give better services to the clients. So by combining the skills of the two or more partners, then they are better able to provide services to their customers. And when they combine together, they don't only combine the skills, but they also combine the resources, so they can pull up the resources. If one partner has $100,000, another has $100,000, then if they combine together, they can better manage their business with more capital. Okay, and then it is easy to form partnerships, okay, as compared to corporations. They only need at least a verbal agreement, but although it is encouraged for them to have a written agreement between them, but by having the agreement, it is a very simple way of forming their partnership. And they, as partnerships, they are free from governmental regulations and restrictions that are typically imposed on corporations. And it is easy for them to make decisions. They can make decisions by discussing among the partners only. All right. Whereas in corporations, they will need to have an annual general meeting where each shareholder will have the ability to vote. So all big decisions must be made in a formal setting, but not that is not required in a partnership when they want to make decisions. The disadvantages, like I've mentioned before, is the mutual agency. The act of one partner is binding upon all of the other partners. The partnership has limited life, and all the partners have unlimited liability. So what is typically stated in the partnership agreement? Firstly is the names and how much does each partner should contribute in terms of the capital. And secondly, what is the rights and duties of the partners, whether they are just providing capital, whether they are involved with certain aspect, and a partner is involved with auditing work, another partner is involved with tax work, and then the basis of sharing net income or loss. How much is the proportion of the net income or loss should be distributed among the partners. That should be mentioned in the agreement. And then the provision for withdrawal of asset. Is there a provision if any of the partners, they want to withdraw assets, to withdraw cash? Are they allowed to withdraw cash? And if they are allowed to withdraw cash, will they be imposed a certain interest charges on the amount of withdrawal? So that should be mentioned in the partnership agreement. Procedures for submitting disputes or arbitration, procedures for the withdrawal or additional of a partner, these should also be mentioned in the partnership agreement. And rights and duties of surviving partners in the event of a partner's death. So what should be done among the partners if there's a death among the partners?